SRES 5, and we are here to give you the news. There were 2 Grandparents' Days this week at SRES. Those who made their AR and AM goals had the privilege of escorting the grandparents to the cafeteria. We enjoyed our time with our grandparents, families, and friends on Thursday. It was a full house. Flu shot and missed forms went home last week. Please send back soon. PTO fundraiser kicked off started this week. Today is the end of the first grade period. Can you believe it's 9 weeks already? Report cards come home on Wednesday, and a special thanks goes out to those who supported Market Day.
In English, we've been using the trait of ideas and organization this week. We are writing compare and contrast papers. We interviewed our grandparents to find out how their lives were similar and different from ours. And now we are organizing our information into a T-chart.
We are working on a project for the book Friendle, and we'll present on Prezi, and we'll present it in class. This week we also entered our suffixes into Quizlet to study for our affix test. We read a snippet of Shiloh while looking for idioms and reading in between the lines for information. How do you read in between the lines?
We received a grant from Duke Energy. This grant provided each of us with a kit that we can bring home to make our house more energy efficient. We are using Google Slides to create a presentation over the Native American groups we have studied.
We are working on how to simplify fractions and how to make equivalent fractions. We took our math acuity test this week. Also, we learned a new way to simplify fractions.
That's all.